What's up, Sunny fan? My name's Coach Chaz, and I'm excited to be here with you. We have a wide variety of treadmill and core workouts for you today. Be sure you subscribe and hit that follow button to stay up to date with all our newest content. With that being said, let's get right into this workout. We got a 15-minute treadmill workout for you today. We're gonna start off with the warm-up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually add some inclines onto our work today. And we're gonna superset that with our core. It's gonna be a great workout. So first things first, let's go ahead and hit that start button on your treadmill. Just like that, we're starting out with our warm-up jog. So I want you to pick a pace that's comfortably uncomfortable. So it might take you a minute to get to that pace, that's okay. Once you find that pace, you're gonna just sit there and ride with it. Focus on your breathing, in the nose and out the mouth. Just like that. Now the difference between your warm-up pace and your working pace is that your warm-up is meant to literally do that. Warm the body up. Get that sweat built. So you don't wanna just start light, but you don't wanna start off too hard. You gradually increase as you get stronger. Just like that. There you go. All the while, focus on your breathing. Stay loose, feel free to shake your arms out if you need to, but stay nice and relaxed, just like that. Good. Now, once you found that pace, let's stay there. First things first, we're gonna raise that incline. So let's raise that incline. We're gonna put it at level 3, just like that. And now the work begins. It gets a little more intense. So now I want you to all the more stay on your toes, focus on your breathing, in the nose, out the mouth, just like that, good. Making sure you stay on the toes, never ever ever run flat-footed. It's the last thing you ever wanna do. Good, keep it nice and light. Our pace is good, we're at a good strong pace. We got an incline going. Now we're just focused on our breathing. In the nose, out the mouth. Breathing is one of the best ways to keep that core engaged. The last thing you want to do is hold your breath. So always force that breath to come in and out. Beautiful, and just like that, we passed a minute, so let's raise that incline up. We're going up 2 more. I want you to put it at 5. So now we went from 3 to 5, just like that. And feel free, if these numbers are too intense for you, feel free, you could have done 1 to 3, or 2 to 4. We just wanna have some level of progression. Just like that, guys, keep it up, keep it up. Stay on those toes. With that incline, it might feel a little harder going slower. Feel free to change your pace if you need to go a little bit quicker. Just like that, you guys. Good, now you have a good rhythm, a good tempo. Focus on that breathing. We got 15 more seconds. In the nose, out the mouth. Real nice, guys, keep it up, keep it up. You guys are doing awesome, push through it. Good. And go ahead and hit that stop button. Good, slow that breathing down. Deep inhale. And exhale. Deep inhale. And exhale. From here, we're gonna get down to the mat. We're gonna go into some core work. So from here, our first core exercise is gonna be some leg raises. We're gonna lay on our back and place our hand underneath the small part of the waist. We're gonna get right into it. Just like that. Hands underneath the small part, chin to chest, take a deep inhale. And just like that. Good. Focus on breathing. Dorsiflex those toes. We got 13 more seconds. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Beautiful, almost there, almost there. And time, beautiful. Go ahead and stand on up. Slow your breathing down in the process. Deep inhale and exhale. Good, big, powerful breaths. Grab some water if you need to. If not, slowly make your way back to the treadmill. Shake those legs out. We're gonna do our same concept that we just did before, but now there's no longer a warm-up jog. So we're gonna hit that start button. And instead of adding the incline, we're gonna start with a 1 minute harder run. So instead of a warm up, we're warm now, but now the first thing we're gonna adjust is our pace. We're going straight to adjusting that pace. Just like that, good. Now the pace you wanna be at, like I said, comfortably uncomfortable. And what that means is it's a pace that you could do for X amount of time, but by the end of that time, it's gonna be a little bit hard to hold it. Just like that. No incline, you're just focusing on the breathing. Good. Deep inhale and exhale. Nice big powerful breaths. There you go. Feel free to pick up your pace as you get a little more loose, a little more warm. Just keep going up on your pace and just keep focusing on your breathing. Awesome, you guys, just like that. Stay on the toes, keep those hands nice and open. Good. Control your breathing. Good, we got a couple more seconds here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise the incline. Now before, when I raised my incline, I went to 3 and 5. This time we're gonna go to 4 and then 6. So catch your breath, take a deep inhale, and let's raise that incline. Just like that. Once again, focus on your breathing. Good. You should be feeling this incline take effect on your shins, your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes, your quads. And if you're running correctly, your knee should be the one thing that you don't feel. Keep it up. Good hard pace, just like that. There you go, you guys. Stay nice and loose. Like I said, feel free to move those arms around, throw them out, throw them up. Whatever you gotta do, just stay nice and loose. Good. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Beautiful. Now we're gonna raise that incline to 6. Just like that, or up 2 from wherever you're at. We're gonna go up 2 on that incline. And just like before, if you need to adjust your pace to go faster or slower, feel free. That's there for you. Keep it up, keep it up. Stay nice and strong, you guys. Keep it going. You guys are doing great. Focus on your breathing and staying loose. Just like that, you guys. Push through it. You got it, you got it, you got it. Keep it going. We're almost there, you guys. You guys got 15 more seconds here. There you go. Push through it. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Beautiful. And go ahead and slow it down. Good job, you guys. Slow it down. Let's come to a stop. Slow that heart rate. Deep inhale. And exhale. Again, deep inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Let's make our way down to the mat once again. This time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some scissors. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay flat onto our back. We're gonna keep our toes pointed to the ceiling, but we're gonna make big scissor-like X movements with our hands in the same position as our leg raises. So we're gonna take a deep inhale, and we're gonna go right into it. Just like that. Notice my toes are pointed to the ceiling. Don't let them point out, point them straight up. Just like that. My chin is to my chest. I'm condensing my core, and I'm keeping it engaged. Just like that, you guys. Keep it up. We're almost there. Very nice, guys. Keep going, keep going. A couple more seconds. And time. Beautiful. Very nice. Deep inhale and exhale. One more time. Deep inhale. And exhale. Beautiful, you guys. Go ahead, stand on up. Shake it out, catch your breath, take another deep inhale, and exhale. Just like that, you guys. Last time, we got one more round all the way through. Same as before. Go ahead and find that pace that we finished at, and let's get right back to it. There's no incline on it yet, but this time when we go up on our incline, we're gonna go up on our incline. So remember where you were before, and we're gonna start one before that, one ahead of that, I should say. So for me, that's gonna be level 5 and 7 this time. There you go. Like I said, ease into that pace. Once you find it, hold it and focus on your breathing. There you go. Stay nice and loose. Nice and loose, you guys. Keep it going, just like that. You guys are at the hardest part. Just push through it. You guys came this far already. You're doing great. Focus on that breathing and just keep it going. Push it up, push it. Real nice, guys. Good job. Nice, nice, nice. Go ahead and raise that incline now. Let's go ahead and raise it. Beautiful. For me, like I said, that's 5. And then focus on that breathing. Good. There you go. Just like that. Stay on your toes. I feel once the incline comes up and it starts getting more steeper, it's gonna want to start pushing you to the back of the treadmill. Resist that. You don't want to stay too up close and crowd the front, but you want to stay in the middle and find that happy medium. Nice. Deep inhale and exhale. Good. Control that breathing. In the nose and out the mouth. Good job, you guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Almost there, you guys. Push through it. You got it, you got it, you got it. Beautiful. Last incline jump. Raise it up by 2, you guys. Raise it up by 2. Last one here. Let's see it, you guys. Keep it going, you guys. You guys are doing great. Focus on that breathing. Don't forget to pick those knees up. Don't drag your feet. Dragging your feet is the quickest way to fall on a treadmill. That's what you don't want to do. Keep it going, guys. We got 20 seconds left here. There you go. Push through it, push through it, push through it. Last 10 seconds, feel free to pick up that pace. There you go. Keep it going, you guys, keep it going. We're almost there. Almost, and time. Beautiful. Go ahead and slow it down. Deep inhale and exhale. Big inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Let's make our way to our mat. Deep inhale and exhale. This time what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some flutter kicks. Both feet are gonna go up and down as fast as you can, like you're swimming. So we're gonna lay down onto our back. We're gonna lay flat. Place those hands underneath the small part of our waist. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Straightening both legs out, chin to chest, and right into it. Just like that. We're kicking hard and fast. Toes are dorsiflexed, and we're breathing. Good. Keep it up, you guys, keep it up. Push through it. 10 more seconds. You got it, you got it, you got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Beautiful. Go ahead and stand on up. And then let's actually cool down on the treadmill. So we're gonna get onto the treadmill, and we're just gonna go at a nice, light pace. The exact opposite of that warm-up. The warm-up, we want it to warm our body up internally, externally. We want it to get hot. For cool down, we're just gonna slow our breathing down at a nice pitter-pat pace. Catch our breath. And we're just gonna do it through movement. You actually cool down a lot quicker if you're doing it with movement. Not only do you cool down, you have a better chance of lowering your heart rate quicker than if I were to just take a seat. So once again, deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. And that's your 15-minute workout, you guys. Good job, you killed it. Catch you guys on the next one.